Now then,
Hey.
come on, let's go home. But Pooh,
Hey.
you know the way?
What are you doing?
But there are
Making a movie.
lots of honey in my
Say
tummy,
hi.
and they have been calling to my tummy. They have? Yes, Piglet. I couldn't hear them before because Rabbit would talk. I think I know where they're calling
What are you watching?
So, come on, we'll just follow my tummy.
Watching what?
Well, they walked off together, and for a long time Piglet said nothing. So as not
Winnie the
to
Pooh?
pick up Pooh's honey pots.
You like this
Sure
show?
enough, as the mist got thinner, and
Is it just
young
Winnie the
Tom
Pooh?
Piglet began to know where he was. Oh, you two blokes! Where have you been?
We've been trying to find our way back home.
Winnie the Pooh and who?
I don't think Rabbit's splendid idea worked.
Who else do you have there?
Where is old Lord?
Tigger too? Say it again.
He must still be missing in the mist.
Good.
Well, leave it to me.
So show me Winnie.
Come out of there.
Where's Winnie?
Ta-ta for now.
Where's Winnie, Alex? Where's Tigger?
Meanwhile, Rabbit was still wandering
Hey.
around in the mist. By now, he was lost and bewildered.
Hi. Can you back up a little bit?
That is worse.
You back up a little bit? Can you back up so I can get in the movie? You can sit up here? Ugh. Okay. Now show me Tigger. Alex, show me Tigger. Where's Tigger? Where's Tigger? Where's Tigger? Hey! That's Tigger. Where's Winnie? Show me your tongue. Where's your tongue? Tongue. No, stay up there. Where's the face? Make the face. No. Whoa. Careful. You can't make the face?
But you're supposed to be lost. Oh, Tiggers never get lost, funny boy.
Never get lost.
Of course not.
Oh, no.
Come on, Rabbit. Let's go home. Hang on. So they started back. And Rabbit was now a humiliated rabbit. A lost
Say bye-bye.
rabbit. And oh, why,
I love you, Alex.
these things happen to me, Rabbit.
Have a kiss?
And now we come to the next chapter.
You know, back
in
up
which
again.
the snowfall have covered the
Back up so I can look at you.
And in which Tigger learns that even bouncing can be overdone.
What kind of shoes do you have on today?
On this day, Roo was waiting for
Alex?
Tigger to take him out to play.
What kind of shoes did you want to put on today?
Tigger's gonna get here.
Alex.
Dear. He'll be.
Oh, you have on your bucks.
Here I am. Did I surprise you, Roo?
You sure did. I like surprises.
Hello, Mrs.
Hood.
Tigger.
Hood.
Why, hello,
Bye-bye.
dear.
Bye.
Blow me a kiss.
Roo, are you ready for
I
some
didn't say give me a kiss.
Yeah.
What are you doing? I want you to blow me a kiss.
Just a moment, dear.
Okay. I like kissing you.
Goodness, you're bouncy today.
Because you're so cute.
That's what rules to the bestest. Now keep your circle.
Can you stand up?
One time, Mama. Is your sweater warm?
Stand up, I want to look at you.
Yes, Mother.
Well, come on, Roo. Let's go.
Tigger,
Okay. And there's the bucks, and there's Alex. Bye-bye. Can you wave?
Don't worry, Mrs. Kanga.
Wave.
Take care of the little nipper.